AJI. Hi, hi. Hello, everyone. Welcome back with me, Ira. So today I'm going to do straight interview about the easiest and the hardest subject in English education. So let's get started. Hello, hi.
Hello.
Can I ask your name first?
My name is Rizal.
I'm Hilda Afifa.
My name is Dava Ananda, but in PBI, my friend usually call me Akel.
My name is Erlan Jauri, and usually my friends always call me Erlan.
Ellen. What semester are you?
I'm in third years of English Education Department in 6 semesters.
I'm in a fourth grade right now, fourth semester. Sorry, not fourth grade, but fourth semester.
From class 6A.
Now I'm majoring at fourth semester.
Fourth semester. So can I ask you something?
Of course.
As a student of English education, what is the easiest and the hardest subject for you?
I think for me,
Yes.
the easiest subject is speaking because English you just only need to speak. No matter what your lack of vocabulary, but yeah, still you need to increase your vocabulary, your pronunciation. But I think for me, the easiest subject in English education is
So what about the hardest one?
the hardest one is for me, of course, grammar because it's very complex for me. Because in the first semester we jump to the functional English grammar, not to introduction to functional English grammar, but not learning about the basic grammar, the traditional grammar. Just jump to the functional English grammar. So yeah, that's the hardest for me.
So how do you deal or finish it?
Well, just listen to the lecture, write about what you want to learn, and yeah, doing the exercise, attendance the class. Yeah, of course, it's as simple as that.
Thank you so much for the
you.
answer. So can I ask you something? Of course. So the question is, as a student of English education, what is the easiest and the hardest subject for you?
I think as in 3 years studying here as a PBI student, I think the easiest subject is intensive listening because the from subject from the semester 1 is still easy to be like to do, and for the hard subject I think statistics because I don't really like some counting or numbering something like that.
Alright. So statistics.
Yeah.
So how do you can deal with it?
I think for to deal to do the task
Yes.
that I found hard the most, I think I like work together with my friend, and I like ask them their opinion or their like how to
Finish it.
finish it.
Thank you so much for your answer.
Okay, thank you.
So can I ask you some question?
Of course, you can.
As a student of PBI, what is the easiest and the hardest subject for you?
I will start with the hardest one. The hardest, I think, grammar because the first semester, when I was in the first semester, my curriculum and your curriculum is different. So the first semester is my grammar in the first semester is about functional English grammar is really hard. It's really hard. So I think it's the hardest one because functional English grammar in PBI apply in the first semester, while in the sastra English or English literature is in the fifth semester. So the difference is the gap is a big.
So
And the easiest, I think I can speak the easiest, but I think my favorite one because I think it's no one the easiest subject in here. And the favorite one is speaking. I like speaking. In the first semester until the third semester is I really like speaking because I like talking too much with other people because I like share my experience and also I want to learn other experience for my better life.
So for the hardest one, you said before that it's grammar. How do you deal with it? How you finish it?
Finish with tears. Finish with tears, asli. But I think when you have a friend, when you have a sporty friend, I think you can pass it because you can learn together with your friends and also and yeah, like that.
Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
answer.
So, as a student of English education, for you, what is the easiest and the hardest subject?
Wow, that's really interesting questions. For me, the easiest one is informal subject, like Indonesians, or so it's not from English education department, not main subject, but in outside of main subject. But for the hardest subject is when in first and second semester is grammar by Mr. Tayyip. That's I think the hardest subject so far.
How do you deal with the grammar?
Of how I finish it, I always try to always pay attention and I'm taking a note from Mr. Tayyip explanation like that and try to practice it.
Thank you so much for
Okay.
the question, for the answer.
Okay.
So, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Alright, so that's all for today's interview. I hope you are enjoyed watching and I'm very happy to hear the answer from everyone. So thank you for everyone who participated and thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next video.